Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to add an end screen to your videos. First of all, you need to be in the YouTube Studio section and then click on videos. Pick any video you want to add an end screen. So I'm going to choose Boracay, click details, scroll down and push on end screen. Pretty easy so far, right? Alright guys, so from here I'm gonna delete this video so I can show you how it works. Boom. And then so you guys have to go to add element and you will have the chance to pick between a video, a playlist, or a channel. So today we're gonna pick a video, but sometimes it's great when you pick a playlist, so the watchers they can watch the full playlist. So video, make sure you place it in the open space and adjust the bar. When the bar is adjusted, so that way you're making sure that at the end is gonna last, the amount of time that you want. And also you need to pick what video you want. So they offer you 3 options: a most recent upload, best for viewer, choose a specific video. So today we're gonna pick a specific video, and I'm gonna pick this one. Let's take a look. Nice. There you go. So you guys are all set. And you save. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps, and I will see you for the next video. But don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.